Hello, everyone. Knowledge and culture heritage has been flowing in our veins since the ancestral period. But today, culture heritage data in the 21st century has changed dramatically. It faces unprecedented challenges. Massive datasets are being created, but traditional identifier systems like DOIS and handles are expensive, centralized, and lack user control. Researchers and culture institutions need a better way to manage their digital identity and metadata. To address these critical flaws, high cost, GDPR non compliance, users having no control, and barriers to inclusivity and sustainability, I have built DNA ID, very next gen decentralized identity infrastructure that solves this problem with a revolutionary approach. It is a system that integrates seamlessly with existing infrastructure while empowering users with unprecedented control. DNA ID. The technical architecture combines the cutting edge technologies of W3C decentralized identifiers for user controlled identity, AI powered bioagents for intelligent metadata enrichment, Dataverse integration for academic repository compatibility, and decentralized storage via Filecoin, so providing an overall integrated structure. A modular architecture ensures scalability and extensibility. Let me show you how it works. So here is our front-end interface, intuitive and simple, lightweight. When a user wants to create a DID, they simply upload their dataset. Then it go back to Bioagent system automatically, which harvests the metadata from Dataverse, enriches it with AI analysis, performing the GDPR compliance checks, and then issues a verifier credentials. The entire process is transparent and user controlled. Hence, the results are transformative. 90% reduction in identifier creation cost, complete GDPR compliance automation, enhanced data accessibility through AI enrichment, and most importantly, users maintain full control over their digital identity. This democratizes access to persistent identifiers for culture heritage institutions worldwide. Decentralized network for authenticated identities, alias DNA ID, isn't just a technical solution, it's a vision for inclusive, sustainable digital infrastructure. By empowering users with control over their metadata, we are building a future where culture heritage is preserved, accessible, and ethically managed for generations to come. Hence, DNA ID, the place where your data, your DNA, proof of you, decentralized. Thank you.